In recent days, the Strait of Hormuz has once again become a focal point of global attention. Military threats, warnings to commercial ships, and rising insurance costs have created uncertainty around one of the world's most important maritime corridors. But beyond the headlines, the real story is geographic. To understand why tensions here matter so much, we need to look at the map. The Strait of Hormuz is a narrow passage connecting the Persian Gulf to the Gulf of Oman and the Arabian Sea. It lies between Iran to the north and Oman to the south. At its narrowest point, the strait is only about 33 kilometers wide, and the designated shipping lanes are even narrower, just a few kilometers across each direction. This geography creates a classic maritime choke point. All sea traffic entering or leaving the Persian Gulf must pass through this confined space. Inside the Gulf are several of the world's leading energy producers, including Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, and Qatar. For most of these states, maritime export through Hormuz is a primary route to global markets. As a result, roughly one-fifth of global traded oil passes through this single corridor every day. Large volumes of liquefied natural gas also transit this route, particularly from Qatar. While some pipelines exist that bypass the strait, their capacity is limited compared to the scale of maritime shipments. The physical landscape also adds to its importance. The surrounding coastline is relatively arid and sparsely populated, but strategically elevated terrain along parts of the northern shore provides strong vantage points over shipping lanes. The narrowness of the passage means that even minor disruptions, whether mechanical, environmental, or military, can have outsized global consequences. In geography, location is power. The Strait of Hormuz is important not because of its size, but because of its position. It sits at the intersection of major energy reserves and global trade routes. When activity there slows, the effects ripple outward from regional ports to international markets. Ultimately, Hormuz demonstrates how a small stretch of water can hold enormous influence over the global system.